Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers. How high do I have the grill over the fire when cooking on a parrilla? Unfortunately, there's no single answer. There are so many variables to take into consideration, such as what type of wood or charcoal you're using, the ambient temperature it is outside, also how much wind there is, but also what you're cooking and how long you have to cook that. Which means, just like any time you're cooking with charcoal or wood, you need to be responsive and adaptable. So the great thing about cooking on an Asado Parrilla grill is that they are height adjustable. So during the cook, you can always raise and lower the cooking grill over the height of the coal. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.